Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to use your UnitedHealthcare UCard at Walmart. First, open the Walmart app or the Walmart website. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the top right, click on your account name. This will open a menu with several options. Next, look for the Settings option and tap on it. In the Settings, scroll down until you see the Wallet section. Click on Wallet. This is where you can manage your payment methods and benefit cards. Now, select the option to add a benefit card. This is where you will enter the details of your UnitedHealthcare UCard. You will need your card number, the expiration date, and any other information printed on the card. Enter these details carefully to make sure they are correct. After entering the information, confirm and add the card to your Walmart account. The app will process the information and your UnitedHealthcare UCard will be added to your wallet. You may see a confirmation message showing that the card has been successfully added. Once your card is added, you can use it for purchases at Walmart. Thanks for watching.